Welcome. In this video, we will walk through how to install your drill-free C-clip anchor kit. Start by verifying the type of filter you have, a DSU, SSU, or S100 filter. A DSU installation kit will come with 2 C-clips and may include an install template. An SSU or S100 installation kit will just come with 1 C-clip. Select the required number of C-clips needed for your installation. Lay out all parts included in the Nephros drill-free C-clip anchor installation kit. Before beginning your installation, make sure that the person installing the anchor has an appropriately sized Phillips-head screwdriver and gloves. Inspect the surface where you'll mount the anchor. It must be clean, smooth, and non-porous like ceramic tile, metal, or glass. Avoid painted or hot surfaces as the adhesive will not bond properly. Mark the exact spot for the anchor and then proceed to clean area with cleaning wipe to ensure proper adhesion. Remove sticky pad from packaging. Peel off the adhesive backing. Do not touch the sticky surface. Place the anchor on the wall, pressing firmly. Make sure the anchor is positioned vertically and not horizontally. This will ensure proper strength and adhesion. Smooth out any air bubbles to ensure a tight bond with a finger or flat dull edge. This step is crucial for long-term adhesion. Once the anchor is firmly in place and air bubbles have been removed, take the C-clip and align it with the center of the hex nut in the anchor. Screw the C-clip directly using a Phillips screwdriver into the anchor using moderate pressure. You will typically turn the screw 7 or 8 full rotations until it's snug and secure. Avoid over-tightening to prevent damage to the anchor. After the C-clip is installed, wait several minutes to allow the adhesive to bond before applying any load. Full bonding strength will be achieved within 24 hours. Your drill-free C-clip anchor kit installation is complete. You can now continue with your filter installation.